4:30 in the morning, heading to Linville Gorge. Gonna see the sunrise on Shortoff Mountain. Let's go. You want to get the views, got to put in the work. It's pretty tough. I didn't think I was going to be very winded, but I'm a little winded. So this is about halfway up Shortoff Mountain. We're about 1.3 miles in, and it's beautiful. Pretty rad. As much as I didn't want to get out of bed this morning, I'm so glad that I did. Till next time, turn your Netflix off and always pick up your trash.